Let's take a look at how audio is represented inside of Pro Tools. The waveforms you see on screen are representation of audio that has been recorded into the Pro Tools system. Although peripheral devices are required to effectively record and capture audio, you don't necessarily need them if you're just working with audio that's already inside of Pro Tools. And you can see the shape of the waveform typically dictates the volume, if we look at it vertically, and the frequency going horizontal. This is the basic building block of every Pro Tools session. Without audio in the session, without an actual waveform on the lane, we don't have any sound. Let's take a listen to the sample that we have here in front of us.